Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Today we're going to learn how we can add background to our video on CapCut. Okay, let's get started. Open your CapCut and create new project. And then you can choose the video or photo that you want to make it as the background. I'm going to choose this one. And then you can click add. Okay, click add. Then you should click overlay right here, and then click add overlay. And then you can select the video that you want to put or add the background on it, and I'm going to choose I'm going to choose this video, and then you can click add right here. Alright, and you can adjust the video. Okay, and then on the video that we want to change, we want to put a background on it, we have to click on it and we can click cut out right here, and then click remove background. Okay, and then the background has been removed, and you can zoom out the video. Alright. Okay. And now the background has been added to your video.
Wait a minute!
Okay guys, that's how we can add background to our video, and thanks for watching.